Hi guys, today I am going to share you my new simple strategy that will help you earn 4016 in binary options trading. So don't miss my new working trading strategy. Subscribe to this channel to keep to update with all the updates and don't miss the chance to improve your financial results. Check out my Telegram channel to get free trading signals and get answers to your questions directly from me. Let's start working together on your success. Subscribe now and start moving towards your goal. Are you ready? Come on! I am an expert in trading and in this video, I will show you how I earn money from the trading. Use strategies to make money trading with minimum risk. You can use my strategy that I show and use them. Most importantly, think with a cool head and do not rely on emotions with trading. Always conduct an analysis before operations. So, I know you are eager to get down to businesses. Follow me closely and click like to start the journey to success together. The most exciting part of my video is my new strategy which is guaranteed to work 100%. My strategy is based on one key indicator, Ichimoku Cloud. With this indicator, I determine in which direction our chart will go. Everything is very simple here. If the general direction of the chart is going down, then our signal will be go down. Just the opposite. And now the settings, I will leave everything to the basic settings. I turn on only one Ichimoku indicator. I leave the standard settings for the indicator. Now turn on the candles and set the interval for 1 minute. The transaction time is 30 seconds and you can start. I start with the amount of $150 and it is from this amount that we will leave at $4016. So did you believe it? We open the Asia Composite Index and open our first deal for an increase in the amount of $150. Here we observe the intersection of the lines in the Ichimoku indicator towards the rise and the general upward movement of the chart. We see how our first deal confidently goes into the plus. The balance is $289 guys. So looking for a path to financial success, join our trading team and receive daily signals for successful trading. Increase your earning with us. The link is available in the description. We put the amount of $289 on the second deal, analyze the situation and make a deal for a decrease. Here the indicator also shows us a decline by crossing the lines. I am happy with my choice. Olymp Trade is an honest broker that I have never encountered problems with. So all conclusions are transparent and fast. Join my Telegram channel to get a referral link and start earning on the platform. This is how our deal is coming to an end. As we can see, our strategy is working. So our second transaction ends in a plus and our balance is already $558. Really great. Now we are raising our transaction amount by $558 and now we are looking for the next situation that's suitable for us, and this time we open a downgrade deal. In this case, the indicator shows the decline of the chart and the general movement is going down. This is our signal to lower the index. So the deal is over and the next correct deal in a row, we observe our balance at $1078. That's amazing guys. This time we are opening a deal for a raise. In this case, the indicator shows the rise of the chart and the overall movement is going up. This is our signal to increase the index. So the deal is over and the next correct deal in a row. We observe our balance is $2081 guys. The last deal for a raise. In this case, the indicator shows a general upward movement. So the deal is over. The next correct deal in a row. We observe our balance is finally $4016. Our strategy is coming to an end. With the help of it, we have reached $4016 from just $150. So all our deals were confidently, successfully closed, which shows the success of the strategy that I show you. So good luck and good profits to everyone. Are you ready to increase your income through trading? Join my Telegram channel and use my referral link to receive bonus on Olymp Trade. Don't miss the chance to increase your earnings. If you like it, don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon, future crypto millionaires.